What's happening? Ray Carnes here, RecTech Grills, co-founder. It is game day and we're doing some awesome tailgating recipes. I'm here with my buddy here.
That's Steve Fredericks.
Good job. Good job. Well, I was letting you say it so you could talk and stuff.
Perfect.
So what we're going to do is the game day queso. And we're going to do this grill side. We got all the ingredients. We're going to go do this on the cast iron over there on the bullseye. So we're going to go out and get next to that grill. So we'll see you at the RecTech. All right, so we're back with this game day queso, guys. It doesn't get any better than this for game day. I mean, cheesiness.
Simple, easy.
Simple, easy. We took the sausage, the it's Mexican sausage, browned it, chorizo.
Yeah, same thing.
And same thing. And browned it. Look at this stuff. And then added the green peppers, onions, the Rotel. Then we smoked it, and it is just amazing. It's gooey, goodness. You can't go wrong. Nothing says football, game day, like that right there. Try it out, easy recipe. You can do it grill side, quick, and then you can get your main food on. This is a great appetizer to keep your guests busy, right? Check us out on social media. Visit us at where?
RecTech.com?
RecTechGrills.com.
Oh, same thing.
All right, he tries, man. Thanks for grilling with us today. We'll see you at the RecTech.